GoHighLevel is probably the most popular all-in-one marketing platform right now. And honestly, I think it's a great tool. I even have a full channel dedicated to helping people learn GoHighLevel, so I'm not here to trash it. But I do realize, unlike a lot of people on YouTube, that GoHighLevel is not for everyone. There are 3 reasons people start looking for alternatives. First, the price. It starts at $97 a month and quickly climbs to $297 or more, which is hard to justify if you're only using 2 or 3 features. Second, the overwhelm. It's one of the most complex platforms in the market, and the learning curve is steep. And third, specific use cases. Depending on what matters most to your business, there are dedicated tools that will just do that one thing significantly better than GoHighLevel can. So in this video, I'm breaking down the best alternative for each core feature that GoHighLevel offers. And I'll also share a completely free alternative to GoHighLevel. Let's get into it. If you're running paid ads on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, funnel performance on mobile is everything. And this is exactly where GoHighLevel shows its biggest weakness. GoHighLevel's funnels were built desktop first and adapted for mobile. That's the wrong way around in 2026, where the vast majority of your ad traffic is landing on a phone screen. The best alternative here is Perspective. It was built mobile first from day one, funnels load in under 3 seconds, and that speed directly translates into higher conversion rates and better return on your ad spend. You can build a complete funnel in under 30 minutes using their drag and drop editor. They've got built-in quizzes to qualify leads, dynamic personalization fields, a native CRM, and even built-in email and messaging, all in one place. And the pricing is more transparent than GoHighLevel, starting at €59 a month with no hidden credit system. If paid ads are a core part of your business, Perspective is the funnel builder you want. For building a proper website, not a funnel but an actual branded web presence, here's something most people overlook. You don't necessarily need a website builder at all anymore. AI tools like Claude and Lovable can now build you a fully functional, genuinely good-looking website for a few dollars, or even completely free. You describe what you want, and the AI generates the entire website for you. For example, take a look at this website I just made with Lovable. Pretty good, right? These are best suited for information-focused websites. Service pages, portfolio sites, agency websites, anything where the goal is to look professional and communicate your offer clearly. You won't have native booking or CRM integrations baked in. But for a sleek, fast, visually strong website that presents your brand well, this approach is hard to beat on cost and speed. GoHighLevel has workflows and is starting to add AI features. But once your automations get complex, or you want to build genuine AI-powered processes, it falls short fast. The best alternative for both automations and AI agents is N8N. It's an open-source automation platform that lets you build complex, multi-step workflows through a visual canvas, hundreds of app integrations, advanced conditional logic, and real-time data handling. But what makes N8N particularly exciting right now is its AI agent capabilities. You can build autonomous agents that browse the web, process emails, make decisions, and trigger actions without any human input. It integrates natively with OpenAI, Anthropic, and other leading AI models. And because it's open source, you can self-host it at scale for a fraction of what any subscription-based tool would cost. GoHighLevel's CRM is actually one of the stronger parts of the platform. So if the CRM is working fine for you, there's no real reason to switch. But if managing and closing a sales pipeline is the core of how your business runs, and you want something purpose-built for it, Pipedrive is the best alternative. It gives your team a clean, intuitive visual pipeline, smart follow-up reminders, full activity tracking across calls, emails, and tasks, and solid reporting dashboards. It's built around how salespeople actually work, not bolted onto a marketing platform as an afterthought. GoHighLevel does have a course and membership feature, but it's fairly basic, and if delivering a great learning or community experience matters to your business, you'll feel that ceiling quickly. The answer depends on what you actually need. If you want both courses and a community in one place, Skool is the best option right now. It's built around a gamified community model where members interact, progress through content, and attend live calls, all in one clean interface, starting at just $9 a month. If you only need courses and want to give your students the most premium experience in the market, Kajabi is the answer. The user experience it creates for your audience is unmatched, polished, professional, and high-end. It's more expensive, starting around $143 a month on annual billing, but for high-ticket coaching or course businesses, the quality justifies it. And if you're looking for the tool that feels most similar to GoHighLevel, same all-in-one idea, just a different platform, that's ClickFunnels. The one area where it has a slight edge is if you're selling courses and want your funnels in the same place. ClickFunnels is slightly better at that. GoHighLevel's calendar and booking tool is actually decent. A lot of agencies stick with it because it's integrated with everything else inside the platform. But if you want something simpler that just works without any of the setup, Calendly is the go-to. You set your availability, share your link, and people book directly into your calendar. It handles reminders, rescheduling, routing forms, round-robin team scheduling, and integrates cleanly with pretty much every other tool in your stack. Email is one of the areas where GoHighLevel gets the most criticism, and fairly so. If email is a serious revenue channel for your business, the depth just isn't there compared to a dedicated tool. The best alternative is ActiveCampaign. It's built specifically around deep email automation with advanced behavioral triggers, branching workflow logic, predictive sending, lead scoring, and granular segmentation. It also integrates with WhatsApp and has added AI-powered features that help you understand what's actually working across your campaigns. Pricing starts at around $15 a month for 1,000 contacts, scaling as your list grows. Now, I know not everyone wants to manage a stack of individual tools. Sometimes you just want one platform that handles everything, and you don't want to pay for it. If that's you, the answer is System.io. It's essentially a no-frills version of GoHighLevel. Funnels, email marketing, automations, course hosting, membership sites, affiliate tools, all inside one dashboard. It's not the deepest platform in any single category, but it gets the job done. And the best part, you can start completely free. No credit card required for up to 2,000 contacts, and you can send unlimited emails. For solopreneurs, beginners, or anyone who wants a capable all-in-one without the monthly bill, System.io is the closest free alternative to GoHighLevel that actually works. Every single one of these tools is linked in the description below. Go check them out. And if you want to learn how to use System.io, watch the video on screen next. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one.